Today I want to teach you that readers need to be careful not to get going, reading faster and faster, and forget to think about the story. They can keep tabs by stopping to make sure they can retell the events in order. As readers push themselves to read faster and to read more, scooping up the words in a snap, they also make sure to keep tabs on comprehension by checking in as they read, pausing at times to be sure they can retell the big events in order. Readers stop and think, what's happened so far? I'm going to read from Katie Wu Has the Flu, making sure that I think, stopping to retell what has happened so far. If I start to read faster and faster, more and more without thinking, will you help remind me? Chapter 2, Sick at Home. Soon Katie began to shiver. How can I feel cold and hot at the same time, she wondered. The flu is tricky, said her mom. That's a sneaky trick, said Katie. Katie's mom gave her pills to take. Yuck, Katie groaned. Pills are such pills. Katie fell asleep and had a bad dream. She dreamed she was a polar bear who lost her fur. She shivered and shook. When Katie woke up, her mom read her a story. It was about a girl with hair so long she could jump rope with it. You know what? Our reading isn't quite feeling right to me. I have this weird sense that we're saying the words but not thinking about them. Let's take a comprehension check. Remember, reading is thinking. If you can't remember the story, it's almost like you haven't actually read it at all. We need to try and retell what happened so far in this chapter. Let's start at the beginning and retell the big events. I'm going to pause for a second and give you a chance to think. I'm really glad that we stopped to do a comprehension check because that check told us that we need to go back and reread. This time, making sure that our brains are turned up high.